people, this is Viper 6. Today I'm going to go see if I can find that little air museum that's not too far from here, which is where all those old military planes take off from. So we'll see. Where's my gear? Oh, I am in first. I am in first. Oh man, it's actually cool, and my visor's fogging up. It's been a very strange year here in Arizona. They said it's the coolest winter they've had in over 40 years. So yeah, it's been mid-40s, mid-50s. This guy's not gonna stop, and yeah, there you go. And yeah, I gotta pay attention over here. It's full of old people that suck at driving. Yeah, so it's been stupid cold and kind of rainy and windy, so it is what it is. So we'll see if we find this place, and then I'm gonna go take Bushman Highway and see if we can find some horses. I don't know. I really wasn't planning a ride today, but I just decided to take the bike out because why not? So I've got some Interpark play. Where are you going? I got some Interpark play at 3 o'clock, so that's all good. And Viper 6 entered his first pickleball tournament over here. Well, there were two categories, right? Advanced and then intermediate. I joined the intermediate because that's where I am at. I'm not an advanced player. And me and my partner came in first. We got first prize. Yay! So that's always fun. And they didn't even give us a medal. What they did is they gave us 2 concert tickets, which really didn't turn out good for me because I gave them to my partner because my partner was not my wife and I wasn't going to take him on a date, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, there it is. Hey man, I scored. I scored big. Okay, turn off the turn signal and all that beautiful stuff. Well, there's some cool stuff laying around over here. Let's go take a look. We'll start with these vehicles. The first one's kind of sketchy. I wouldn't be going on it. No, it's kind of cool. One-seater little carrier thingy. Eh? Then you got this sucker. I like this thing. Oh, there's starter fluid there, so I guess it runs. You know. And then you got that Jeep with the massive snorkel, so you know that'll go underwater. And it comes with an X. It comes with a nice X. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you got this thing, which is also kind of cool. Now look at the winch in the front of that. Man, that's an old winch, eh? That's cool, you know, like I think it's pretty awesome that you have people that actually take the passion and time to restore these things. Oh, here we go. How cool was that? Can you imagine, you know, like Second World War, hearing those things coming around, and you know that depending what side they were on, it's not going to be a good day, right? They also have a B-25 Mitchell here and a P-51 Mustang. But what happened, well, not with the Mustang, but there was a bit of an issue last week. Two planes collided in midair, and that wasn't good. Oh, and here's the biplane I was telling you guys about. Man, they're all going out this morning. Man, I timed this like super perfect, didn't I? There you go. Man, you gotta respect these guys that refurbish these things. It's too bad that they lost one this week. Two of their planes collided in mid. Well, not their planes. One was an ultralight, collided with one of their restored planes. So, and I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it was probably the ultralight's fault, because these guys are freaking, you know, military pilots. They know what they're doing. Man, they're all lining up to take off today. How awesome. There must be a bit of turbulence there because the guy's going weaving there a bit. Oh, that's kind of cool. So yeah, so this is the most awesome plane. See if I can get the camera between the thing there so you guys get to see it. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And then, you know, you have planes, and because you have planes, you need the means to shoot them down too in times of defending, and this is what you use. Man, look at the coil springs on that, eh? Yeah, super nice. Man, you gotta love this. Yeah, one day I gotta come in here because they have super cool stuff. That's a deck gun. Yep. And there's the other rocket ship, my bike. Would be nice if the B-17 gets up in the air. The Flying Fortress. Guns everywhere. That's just a cheesy little plane.